Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to change our document color mode, and we are going to see the differences between the CMYK and RGB with our Adobe Illustrator. So here this document is RGB. When you are going to create any new document here with your Illustrator, you can find the option if you click on the file and click on the new. So you can see we have the CMYK and RGB. So RGB is stand for red, green and blue, and CMYK is stand for cyan, magenta, yellow and K is the black. So if you're planning to use any document for the purpose of on a screen, so make sure you select this RGB. But if you're planning to use this document for the purpose of printing, so make sure you select this CMYK, because the printer is not going to identify the colors with the RGB colors here when you select for your document. But if you go with the CMYK, so the printer is going to know about the document is that this document and is already here for the purpose of printing, and it's going to identify all the colors which is used with that document. So how you're going to change your document color mode if you're going to make your document RGB, and if you want to convert that, so under file menu you can find this document color mode. So here you can click on the CMYK color. But if there is artworks like this one, you are going to make this rectangle shapes. So I'm going to change that something like this, and also I'm going to Control C Control V, make another copy from this rectangle shape. So if you want to change the document color mode from CMYK to RGB, so as you can see, no changes actually going to be with this document. Why is that? Because the colors that we used here, so for the RGB and for the CMYK, it doesn't show us any changes. But here, if you want to see the changes, so you need to click on the opacity here. On the blending mode, you have to go with the something like this screen, and for this one, so we're going to click on opacity, we're going to apply this multiply. And now if I want to change, so now these two here, this shape and also this shape, now we have this color between them, and also with this shape, so we combine all the different colors, so we can get this type of, let me just zoom in so you can see, we have this type of color, and also we have this black over here. And if you want to see the changes here while you're going to convert or switch between CMYK to RGB, let me show you. Here I'm going to click on the CMYK. As you can see, the color is now changed. And also if I want to just switch back to this RGB, so the color is automatically going to change something like this. So here, this is how it's going to work. If you want to see the differences, so you can put the shapes on the top of other shapes, and you need to apply this multiply. So the mixture of different colors here allows you to see some changes while you want to switch between the RGB and CMYK with your Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to convert your document from CMYK to RGB. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys in the next video.